One. Good morning, friends. See, we have seen so many things in this world. Of course, you would have seen. But recently, my MacBook was not working properly. It was not switching on at all. So I went online and I was checking. I was not comfortable with many places I saw. But one caught hold of my attention. The name was Ram Infotech Laptop Service, Chennai Private Limited, Velacheri branch. That really caught hold of me. So I brought my MacBook. I met the two people here, two persons' name. One was Mr. Sabri, the other was Mr. Kirtivasan. I'll tell you, these two are amazing people. They are so supportive, so helpful. I mean, the customer, they make him at home, as if we are at home. And they did it. Of course, they charged me a little high, but I'll tell you, they gave the laptop fully repaired, perfect, and in condition. My recommendation to all people who are interested in repairing the laptops and Apple and everything, just visit and meet these two people. You will be amazed and surprised. Have a nice day. Thank you.